Summer commonly means sunshine and big trips. Ours look different. Surprising amount of rain and lingering routines. Inevitably, the rain caused boredom and restlessness to our children. But that boredom turned out to be the start of something. Here's what unfolded.
So I have my walkie-talkie telling Clark how to get through this journey. Once he jumps into this pit, I'm going to cover him with blankets and have the song on.
My children say that they are bored. Then, an hour later, a whole new game had taken over the house.
Hi. What? Okay, I see the squishies. Am I supposed to grab them? I'm looking at all of them. Put it under the rocket ship. Yeah? Yeah?
This summer brought more storms than previous ones. The rain taught us to be flexible and still find joy in the absence of sunny days.
What's next? You finished. Yeah.
These warm days is when I feel so much at ease. These days allow me to enjoy a longer sacred morning, and the world are expanded beyond my thick jacket and my house's four walls. In a way, it made me feel so small in the grand scheme of things and keep me humble. Speaking of boredom, sometimes I wish I could trade places with my children to have the luxury of experiencing boredom. I'm learning that boredom is not emptiness. It is a space where creativity sparks and rises to the surface. It is where ideas and imagination live, free from to-do lists and responsibilities. When there is a window of sunshine between rains, off we go, exploring our precious sunny day. The time being bored gave us the opportunity to try new things and forced us to deal with things we had been putting off. Books we once loved, now ready for new hands. A quiet way to give forward and make space to grow. Admittedly, this is not the most exciting task, but showing the kids how to do things the right way felt important. These small things shape how they see the world. Last year, I struggled to enjoy the summer fully due to many smoky and bad air quality days caused by wildfires. This year, I feel the sense of abundance. This long rain is crucial to protect us from potential wildfires that have been happening every summer these past years. I trust Mother Nature is trying to restore the health of our environment. One day we came to cheer and got surprised by a tiny robot painting lines on the field. It is almost like a pre-opening of the soccer game, brings smiles to everyone who have never seen it before. My sons were pretty done with their Legos and any other building toys. They were volunteering to help me with things around the house. He followed the steps, got a little frustrated, and then finished it on his own.
Are you a pro?
Yes, he built a shelf for me. Thank you. If this season has taught me anything, it's to stay open to the unexpected, the inconvenient, and even the boredom. Sometimes great things come disguised as challenges. I hope this video invites you to keep an open mind and heart too.